we show how to install our push button start system. Now this is our control box. We have another one similar, so we show you this one first. This wires connected to the central locking system to control this unlock and lock. Please check it. Check the menu to find how to install it. And this is for the engine start. This is power, 12 voltage power, and this is for the start. And this one is ACC. This is ON brake. This is ON. And in normal, we will send you a special ignition harness for your car. If no sent special harness cable, you can use this universal cable to connect from this. We can show how to connect. This is original remote. We can use this is ACC. The radio will power on. We can use a tensor, test tensor. We can use this one. This clip the GND and test the knob to find which one is ACC. The first is to find ACC, ON, and start for to connect. Please reference to the menu. And now this one is connect PKE antenna. This is short install to this position. The longer need to shows need to the rear of the window. Okay, so there's a connector. On this connector to connect the antenna, PKE antenna, is for the induction close to open to unlock and leave the car will automatic lock. Now, and this one is for the button. This button in normal we can select two options. One is this drill core button, and this one in normal is this. It can be we need a copiameter, K blood, and insert and cut this, and then turn it to the ON, then cut this, then to release the wheel locker. After we copy this meter K blood insert, and we can install the button to this one. It can be clipped. Okay. Now, so there are some wires need to connect. This one is for GND. It need connected to the body of the car. GND. This one is for the home buzzer. This is a negative output. You can connect this wire to the buzzer trigger of this one. It's a negative trigger. We can use this. Must use this NAP. Not can't be used LED. Must be NAP testing pencil. We can clip this one to the GND and we touch the wire. If the horn will beep, it means this is horn wire. Connect this one to it, and this orange is connected to the foot brake. Foot brake means when we hold the foot brake, the use this testing, it will turn on if we hold the foot brake. It's simple. I think you understand. So this orange is foot, and the next one is orange black. This is to detecting the hand brake. We can connect it with GND together. So connect to the GND together with this one. This is detecting the hand brake. So if the car is 80, direct connect it with the GND together. Now. And then this is for the open the trunk. And this is output negative, and always we can select to the positive from the this one can select the trunk negative or positive. So connect this is for open the trunk, and the two brown is for the direction knob. Direction knob. No, like this. Direction knob. This two. This is output positive, like the car lamp. And the next is for door detecting. No need to connect this. So all we need to connect is this one and this one together, and this one. The two brown is for the direction knob. This is for the foot brake. This is for the horn beep. And then this one is for the unlock and the lock wire. We can use this pencil to test it. If we clip the GND, touch the wire, the door can lock. So we can connect this for lock, and then this for unlock. It like a car lamp, and you can refer to with this installation. And another thing, now this one is for the soldering original remote control. It not necessary. Even if we can't find it's difficult to connect the lock and unlock, we can use this wire. So this is the spare part. Okay.